Hi guys, my name's Anthony. This is Crypto for you. Today I'm going to talk about what's going on in the Bitcoin chart. I'm going to tell you about what we're going to do. So I think we're going to go down. So let's get into the video. So the first thing I want to talk about is how we broke out of this channel. Remember this gigantic channel? So yeah, we broke out of it. We kept testing the top and the bottom, and we broke the bottom. And we're testing it again. So if we keep testing it, that means we're going to go out. But see, we're now in this smaller channel. And if we zoom out, this happened before. We were in a gigantic triangle, remember? The one that was going on forever. And yeah, every time we tapped the top of this triangle, we crashed. So we went to the bottom here. We tapped it. We went half here because there was support to here, 6,000 level. And we tapped that support. And we had a small one right here. And every time we crash, we have another channel that we're in. So you see in this one we had a channel, then there's a small one here, and so if we break these, look what happens. So we broke this channel, we crashed. We broke this one above. We went back above, but you can like go farther than that. So yeah, we broke it above. We tapped this again. So every time we break it, we go to the bottom of the triangle. Every time we break above it, we have a retest. So the bottom of this channel right now is 8,300. See, I put this right here. So let me just leave that. And if we look at this, we tested the 200-day moving average. We broke below it and actually thought we were going to go down because we were below the 200-day moving average. But it's just a fake out. We tested it 2 times, then we went back above it. We're now above it. Probably gonna test it again. And right now it's at 8,900. And I drew this orange line. It's like we kept hitting it up and down, but you can draw another line. So this line, the bottom of the line, goes all the way till here. You see, we had support, resistance right here, support, resistance, support, resistance, and the random stuff there. And then we had a resistance right here, and then in the small time frame we have a support. We have like this triangle. You guys can see that this is like a triangle, and we're actually closing it. We would probably break out somewhere June 1st. If we probably break to the upside, we're gonna have to go to another triangle over here, which is probably the June 8th. And yeah, there is not that much volatility going on. You see right now, and not that much volatility going on right now. You see, guys, we are still, if we zoom out like that, so I could draw the line. We draw it like this, and you guys can see that we have been testing it. We had two spikes to the downside, 3 spikes to the downside, 2 spikes to the upside here, and whenever that happened, we either went up a lot right here or went down a lot, like right here, and then we have a smaller one right there. Go closer. See, we went down right here. That's when we went up, and yeah. So triangle is getting smaller every day, and I would say June 1st again is when we're gonna have to break out of this triangle, and it's gonna be either to the upside or to the downside. So this is gonna be red or green. Same June 1st. Same when this triangle ends. So this volatility is right when this. So that is something that's probably gonna happen at June 1st. So this is the right triangle that we have. It's not right. It's acute. There is this level right here, 7.7k, which I was looking at it. We had some resistance there, support here, resistance, support, resistance. I mean, support, more support there, and resistance. And yeah, it went a long time, so that's a really important level. So if we break out of this triangle, I'd say we're gonna have to be in this channel until we go to this support, and then we're gonna have to figure out what we're gonna do in there. So I think we are gonna go to the 7,700 level, but probably somewhere in like June, because like look at this, we are in the middle of like triangle. We can draw like a line right here, a line right there, and a line right there. So yeah, we are now probably gonna be bouncing here, bouncing there, bouncing there, bouncing there. bouncing here, bouncing here, bouncing here, bouncing here. And then we're gonna have to figure where we're gonna go. So one theory that actually supports my theory is this. This guy's name is Fract. He does a different kind of analysis on Bitcoin. He does fractal analysis. So we're gonna look at his idea. The link in the description if you want to see the full chart. So like you can actually interact with it, but you can't like delete anything. You can just look around and see everything. So if we go to where we are right now, there you go. And if we go closer and we look at it, we are right now inside of this channel, as he says, and the bottom of this channel is about, if we follow right now, 8,300, 8,400, 8,300. I don't think we're going to break out of that. And the bottom that you could go is 3,000. He says right here. This scheme may work out if the price does not go below 3,000 anymore. If it does, then fractal justification collapses. Okay. So this channel, if you look at this, it's like the Fibonacci channel. Like there's 0, 0.61, 8, 1, 0.618, 2.618, 3.618, and see there's a 3.618, 2.618, 1.618, and then there's a 0 and a 1. So that is like the Fibonacci channel. So Bitcoin probably stays in that channel. So we are inside. I don't think we're gonna break out of it because this is, if we break out of it, then we're gonna go down. Look what happened last time when we broke out of it. We fell from 10,000. Well, let's start from here. We fell from 8,000 all the way down to 3,000 right here. 6,000 to 3,000. And nothing less. See, we stop at 3,000. I don't want it to go to 3,000, less than 3,000. So yeah, if we break this, it's gonna be super bad. I don't think we're gonna break this because this is 8,400 right there. We can look at my chart right here, and if we look at it, 8,300 right there. It's the bottom. But remember, if we zoom out right here, we're gonna have to watch this chart, what happened here and the other chart. So every time, if we break above it, I would say we're gonna break the triangle. If we break below this channel, I'm saying we're gonna break this scheme, and when we break the scheme, we're probably gonna go down. So I'm gonna keep looking an eye on it, and there's a 7.7 level right there. So there's a probability that we're probably gonna go down. So if we break out of this channel, then we're gonna be stuck inside this triangle. If we break out of this triangle, then we're gonna be stuck in this triangle. Break out of this triangle, then there's gonna be freedom. So we have 3 roadblocks which we have to look at. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to check out Frac's chart about what he did is down below in the comment section if you want to see the interaction version and look at everything. So if you have some questions, you can ask him. You just go into that comment section in this chart down below. So with that being said, see you guys in the next video. Bye!